I wake up every morning before the guns do. Not because I'm brave, because I'm afraid of being woken by them. My boots are always damp. Everything's damp. Socks, letters from home, the inside of my head. You start to smell like the earth you're lying on, and after a while, you don't know where you end and the mud begins. Most days are waiting for orders, waiting for tea that tastes like metal, waiting for something to happen and praying it doesn't. I think about Mum a lot, about how she'd stand at the sink, hands red from washing, humming like the world was still normal. I try to remember that sound when the shells come in. It helps, sometimes. You don't talk about fear much out here, but it's everywhere. It sits in your chest, right next to your heart, tapping away, reminding you you're still alive. And that's the thing. We are alive, right now, still breathing, still hoping. I don't know if I'll make it home. None of us do. But I know why I'm here, so that maybe one day, no one else has to be. So if you're watching this somewhere warm and quiet, don't waste it. We're giving you everything we've got.